Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2017 Honda CB300F. This bike is a single-cylinder, street fighter style, naked, ABS brakes, fuel injection, liquid cooled. This lightweight 300F just arrived with only 6,500 miles. It's got a really cool matte silver and black paint scheme with the yellow highlights. Come on by, make your lightweight sport dreams come true for just $46.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.